everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for coming back for another video. Right, well, it's still a state of emergency in Osaka, so I thought I would stay in and mess around with some more weird Japanese snacks. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the last one I did, which was the kind of jelly sushi thing that I made, which tasted alright and came out quite nicely. I was pretty impressed with myself. So I decided to try another two of the snack range from Kracie, who make sweets in Japan. I've got two weird ones. I keep seeing them in stores and I thought I really want to give it a try. So I'm going to show you those and give it a try. But before I do that, of course, as always, I say the same thing every time. Please like this video. I really appreciate it if you do. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And you can hit the bell icon too to get a notification every time I do a video, which is at the moment every Sunday I release one. So yeah, please set your alarm clocks. And oh yeah, please leave a comment. I've stopped getting comments now. I miss you. Please write a comment. Please tell me if there's something weird you want me to make, or some Japanese snack you saw online, or just tell me what you thought. You know, how are you doing? Tell me your life story. Maybe not, but leave a comment. That's going to help me a lot. Yes, so let's just do it, shall we? First one I've got is the Kracie's Neru Neru Nerune. I don't really know what that means. I think it's about like mixing something, or like how you make bread. I think Neru. I think that's the same Neru. It looks like we're gonna make some kind of like whippy candy something with, is that marshmallows stuck in it? I'm not sure. Let's see what those are. Hopefully it's got calcium inside, so it's healthy, kind of healthy. And I've got a 1-star rating on difficulty, so hopefully I can manage this. Apparently I just need some water, so yeah, I know that it's gonna be fluffy, fwa okashi. So yeah, so something fluffy is gonna happen. So we've got the instructions on the back. I'll try not to destroy them on this. Okay, let's slide all this out. Ooh, I've broken it already. Okay. So I get, same with the sushi, you get a little tray. So I put that out. Sorry for your earphones. Okay, got a kind of weird tray here. It's a little character, I don't know, some whippy fruit thing is getting his life. Okay, and I've broken that already. I've broken the edge. What do I need to do? Oh, okay, I need to take this off. Ooh. Okay, oh dear, that's a sharp edge. This is a kind of a spoon, I think, for the water. Okay, give me a moment. I'm going to check the instructions and see you on the other side. Okay, right, I've taken a look. I've got these 3 packets here. I've got a number 1 packet, number 2 packet, and very lumpy kind of number 3 packet. I think that might be the topping on the end of it. So, right, I'm supposed to open this, and oops, powder's come out. Ooh, that smells nice, maybe. It smells like candy anyway. I'm supposed to pull this in. Okay, can you see that? I'm going to move my camera down a bit. You can see what I'm doing. Didn't miss the top of my head, don't worry. And I've got to put a spoon of water in here, so let me just do that. Oh, just one, whoops. Okay. Let's put that on the side. I'm going to mix this up well. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we're doing. Okay, it's made a kind of a paste. Just to mix this well. Okay. It's kind of like goopy, syrupy. You can see how. It's like a failed meringue. Okay, so that's all mixed up. I don't know if I should lick the spoon or not. Probably not. Leave that there for a moment. I think I'm going to mix in the second sachet now. Okay, right. Number 2 is going in. Just dump it all in. Yep. Okay, okay, mix it until the color changes. Okay, that sounds exciting. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, it's blue powder. This is not. Don't smell of anything. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's mix this up until it changes color. What color it's supposed to turn into. It's quite nice though. It looks like kind of a. It's like hair mousse. Oh wow, yeah, it's very moussey. Guess that's where that foie foie comes in. It's very airy. And, I don't know if I should be eating this kind of thing. Oh wow, look at that. It's very goopy. Look at that goop. That down here so you can see me. Okay. I guess that's worked. I think I've turned in foie foie. Okay, and then just dip it in the number 3. Okay. See, this is easy. 1 star. Let's tip these in. Oh wow. They're like little hard candy. There we go. What a mess. Okay, you can see these little candies. And I'm supposed to like dip it in. Not sure about this. So let's get a bit of a goop. Okay. What's this gonna taste like? And you just stick them on. Oh, got quite a few there. Okay, well, here goes nothing. This looks horrible. Oh. So sweet. Okay. So the little hard candies, they're kind of fizzy. Move that out of the way. I think they're like lemonade. Yeah, colourful lemonade flavour. This is like kind of lemonade. Oh goodness me. You can get like diabetes. I'll just try some of this by itself. Okay. Goodness me, that's so sweet. That's unbelievable. Just mix it. Oh, look, it's so moussey. I'm gonna try one more. I'll do it for the. Doing this for YouTube. Okay, can you see that? It's got this weird tingling feeling, like it's chemically killing me. Can you hear that? Breaking my teeth. Okay. That's not good. That's not very nice. It is very sweet. I mean, the textures are kind of weird. There's this really like fluffy, goopy stuff. It's super sweet, and then these little sugar candy things, which are really hard. So there's too much of a contrast. I think I'm not sure I like that. I don't even want to lick the spoon. That's how bad it is. It's kind of room temperature dessert feeling about it. Okay. Not a big hit for me. So that was the Neru something. Very easy, but yeah. Some stories are not worth telling. Okay, I'm going to take a little break and then I'm going to show you the next one, which looks a bit more interesting. So, okay, let's see. Hi, okay, well, I think I've just about recovered from that kind of weird alien fungus attack. So I'm going to try the second one I've got, which is also from Kracie. This is Gumi Tsureta. Okay, some kind of stretchy, gummy sweet. I've seen this on TikTok actually, and you can kind of grow this really long piece of gummy candy. So I'm gonna give this a try. What does it say? How long can you make it? That's a challenge. There's some kind of weird like dip as well. We can sort of dip the gummy in. Apparently it's grape flavour, more calcium. That's good. It's gonna rot your teeth, but I don't know. Calcium's gonna be there. Okay, no difficulty scale on this one, so that's a bit worrying. So let's just open it up. Oop. These are very cheap as well. I think this cost about I think 140 yen, which is let's call it about £1, a bit less than that. Okay, oop, what do we have? So we've got the gummy mix. We've got some other things here. I think this is the dipping sauce, and this is the juice, the juice stuff that I think you kind of mix these weird chemicals together, and then it kind of magically makes this gummy sweet. We've got a fork and a straw. Okay. And I've got the two trays again, and I think I'm going to break this thing off. So I've got a little water one, and mixing one, and I think that's for the sauce, I think. Let me just check that. Yes, that's it. Okay, right, I'll move this down again. Right, I've got to fill up this tray to there's a little line there, you can't really see that, but it's in there somewhere. And I'm going to start from there. Okay, so I've got the water in there. I can't show you without spilling it all, but right, I'm going to put the juice base. Is it the juice base, right? The blue one. Gonna make some weird juice. This is not juice though, I think it's some kind of weird chemical. It's going to mix with something. Okay, just kind of sits there. Don't think that's supposed to turn into anything, so do I mix it with anything? Mix it with a fork. Okay. Done and done. Okay. Doesn't really turn into anything. Okay. Okay, I guess that's that. So I've got this kind of green looking soup. You can see that. It smells a bit like, I don't know. I know this is supposed to be grape candy, so it smells a bit grapey. What do we do next? Okay, mix this sauce. Our sauce, bubble sauce. More bubbles. Oh dear, all spilled that already. A bit of clean up at the end. Okay, and 1 cup of water. Oop. There we go. Oh dear, it's frothing away. Oh dear. Can you see that? It's foaming. Do we use the fork again? Yeah. Okay, that looks not very appetizing. It's kind of whippy stuff. Bubble sauce, apparently. It looks a bit like, have you ever seen like dog puke? It's the same colour as well. Sorry, I hope you're not eating breakfast when you're watching this. Okay, let's scrape that off. Okay, now the main event. Now I'm supposed to bend this straw and then pour this gummy stuff in. This is like we're going to use like a hook. Can I make this a bit closer? Oop. Okay, you have to deal without my face for a while. Okay, let's see. This is where it all goes wrong. Alright, let's cut this. Oops. Now I'm supposed to have 3 or 4 rounds of this, so I might do a bit too much and see what happens. So I'm sure all kids do that. Okay, oh, I'm a bit nervous now. Okay. Make a little pile of it. Okay, oh, I think that's too much. Oh, it's definitely too much. Okay, and now I was supposed to pull it out. Oh, can you see this? It's doing it. Oh! Oh, come on. Oh no, it's ripping. Ah! Oh no. Oh no, can I save it? Come on. You can do it. I'm going to hold it a little bit. It's got this little tentacle coming off it. That's gross. Oh, can we incorporate this? Ah! It's like an alien. No, I can't get the last bit. There we go. Can you see that? It looks like entrails, like guts. This one for the thumbnail. How do I eat this? Do I just like dip it in the goop? Oh, this looks horrible. I need the fork as well, just to... I don't know how to even eat this. Let's get it on the fork. Come on, you can do it. A bit of the powder still there. Okay, here we go. Here goes nothing. Don't want to eat this. It looks like a dead alien. Oh no! There's a bit of grape in there, but it's got this weird. It doesn't taste too much. That stuff is sour. Like lemon. Oh goodness me. Okay, let's try this again. I've got a bit more. Maybe not that much. We'll try round 2. I'm just gonna go for it. It's got these little crunchy bits in it too. I think I was a bit too ambitious, so I went for the whole lot. Okay. Oh no. Gotta hook it underneath. The powder kind of falls off it and then falls in the liquid. And then that turns into the rest of the gummy. Ooh. Wow. Oh, okay, I did it. Okay, got a little, don't know what that is. Kind of skin tag. That's so horrible. Okay, I'll try this. This lemon stuff is kind of interesting. Got a bit of flavour to it at least. I'm worried I'm going to drop this again. Okay, the frothy dog sick skin tag. Oh, good. That's sour. Somehow it's so sweet and so sour and so bland at the same time. That's amazing. Yeah, okay. Is that what the kids eat these days? I don't know if I had anything like this when I was a kid. Not like this, like chemical experiment. No, we just kind of made do. Just like weird shapes of things, but this is something else. Do you want to try some? Okay, here we go. Well, I've tried it now. My curiosity has been satisfied. I hope that was interesting for you, because that was, yeah. Okay, well, hope you like this. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, comment, do everything, please. And yeah, please make a request, but please don't request this again. I don't want to do this. Okay, well, have a nice rest of your week, and take care, and see you again. Bye.